Saturn turning still and then getting direct. Now, I would like to know from you guys from 13th July when Saturn turned retrograde in Pisces sign. I've done a video on the same as well. You guys have to come back and let me know in the comment section what all you have experienced when Saturn transited through the Pisces sign in retrogression. Because you see, retrogression has to, there are some reversals in the Pisces sign. So definitely something to do with emotions also, something to do with your profession, career wise also. And it is in trine to the other water signs of Cancer and Scorpio as well. So how has it transformed you? How has it helped you? Because after 30 years, this Saturn went for retrograde for the first time in the Pisces sign. So it definitely has to impact you somewhere or the other. Secondly, when Saturn is in retrogression, it is moving backwards towards its own zone. Imagine there's a house, a big house with 4-5 rooms, okay? And Saturn has just entered. Suppose you have just entered the house and you've not even reached the living room and you forget your keys and you say, oh, my car ignition is on, I think I've left the keys inside. And you have to move backwards, and in reverse you are just going to collect the keys, and you reach the door and you realize the keys are still in my pocket, and you come back to the living room, which means this Saturn comes into the living room and turns retrograde, reaches the door and comes back. So that is what this Saturn retrogression phenomena is going to be. Like, it is going to be more time consuming to reach the living room, relax, and have your sip your tea. So what happened? It disturbed your that particular event of relaxing, because you've come back from work and you want to just relax. Now what happens? Next year and next to next year again, this Saturn is going to turn retrograde in the Pisces sign, but the degrees will be different. So now it is in the initial degrees, it's touching upon 0 degrees or some minutes, and it's going to get direct. Otherwise it would have gone back to Aquarius, and then it will move further on. In the other rooms it will be touching upon, like you will be moving into your bedroom or some other room or maybe study, but it will be like coming back again to the living room or coming back to your bedroom or coming back to your study. So that is something which this retrogression is like. You get little disturbed also because you have to travel the same distance over and over again.